2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a fun song by Sheryl Crow. All I want to do is have some fun. And I've seen different people play different ways. I'm gonna play it the way I saw Sheryl Crow do it on the acoustic. So let's go. We're in standard tuning. We got an E. The song is in E. 1, 2, 3. Sometimes it's an E7. Get that bluesy feeling. Pinky goes on the 3rd fret B string. We got a C major. 1, 2, 3. And then we just move that up here. So it looks like a C, but it's a D. 1, 2, 3. And add pinky on the G string. So we got a D7. Okay, and then later on we do have a B7. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and for the bridge, we have an A7 bar chord. So you got a bar, 5th fret, 7, and on the A, and 6 on the G, and move that up a half. For the chorus, they play a little melody if you can nail that, which is doubling the vocals. 7, 9, E, 7, 9, A. Okay, so that's the basic chords. If you can't do the A7 bar chord, you can play it here, an A major, and move that up a half step. So, and the beginning, that lick in the beginning is it's a G7, 9. So that's 10, starting in the A string, 10, 9, 10, 10, up a half. So let's go over the chords and the strumming. The whole song is down, up. We can go down. A7. That's the whole song. So let's review before we end this lesson. We got the intro. Nine, no, 10, 9, 10, 10. Up a half. Then we got the verses. E major, throw in a 7 sometimes. C to D7 up here, and then we got the bridge, pre-chorus, A7, up a half, and then chorus, same chords as the verses, but it ends with C. Santa Monica Boulevard, B7. And the strumming just. Thanks guys, appreciate it for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow with more classic tunes. Be safe.